Who's taking count? Down there? Okay. Thanks.
Hello, sir.
Hi there. Thanks for riding Thomas today.
Thank you for this event every year.
Oh yeah, you're welcome. It's our pleasure.
We have so happy. We got the greetings are popping. This is so much fun when you have an early ride. It's not crowded. And this is what they say that sensory where it's quiet. Typically, when we in the past every year we ride in a train where it's packed and they keep playing music over and over, and there's also someone that constantly engaging everybody, and it was a loud because the noises, everybody, it was crowded, but the way it was set up in the morning in the first place, we're all having a quiet. There's no music right now. You can hear only like a few of us here inside this train. Pretty much, this is the train that accommodates everyone. Thank you, Southern Railway, California. This was such a great experience for us, for accommodating people with disabilities, especially when it comes to sensory challenges. It's worth. How are you feeling, Aldrin? You feeling good? Feeling calm?